Hello and welcome to the Modular app promo. Here is the main comp, as you see here in the project view, where you can find an app commercial example 1, app commercial example number 2, the mix and match here, where you can find all the phone and tablets move. I remind you that this is a modular project, so you can mix and match the moves and create your own commercial projects or promo. And here is the elements control panel. There are 250 animated icons, transition, animated shapes and texts, where you can color control from here, from the elements control panel. Let's see how you can work with this. Let's choose the app commercial number 1. By double clicking this app commercial, you can see that there's a logo animation here, where by double clicking this logo animation, you can change and edit, as you see here, your logo. So you can place your logo here and enjoy this animation. You just place your logo, it's very easy to do that. After that, we're going to scene number 1. There's a transition here. You can change the transition by right click here and press reveal source in project. Here you can see 8 different transitions you can choose and alt replace this one. Here is the scene number 1. By double clicking this scene, you can see that this scene is composed from 2 animations, the phone bottom to center and the stay center loop. That's what I mean, it's a modular structure. You can see that we have the one animation here which ends in the center, bottom to center, and then we have the loop. As you see here, you can see the loop points where you can stop this animation and place another animation, for example, from center to the right or from center to the left. So here is the loop point. Okay, you can place your own app screen here by double clicking this 01 phone animation, and always the red layer is the placeholder. So you can double click here and replace above, as you see here, above this screen, place your own image. If you want to change the back logo, there is a logo behind here. You double click this green layer and place your own logo or remove this logo, and automatically this logo goes on the back of all devices and tablets, phones and tablets. So that's how we change the logo and edit the placeholder. There are also local controls for every device animation, where you can check the shadow color, the device logo color from behind, the shadow opacity and the reflection opacity, as you see here. Here is the reflection. By checking this box, you can edit the reflection opacity or the shadow opacity, or change the color of the logo from behind. As you see here, device logo, you can change, or you can change the shadow color here. You never know what you're gonna need. By unchecking this, you have the global controls. So that's how we edit the placeholder. That's how we edit the background logo. And let's see something else here. As you see here in the background, there are some animated icons here generated from this orange layer. Same structure for every scene. So, by alt replacing the desired particle icon as you see here, let's see, right click, reveal layer source in project, and in case you don't want the lab and you want one of the 250 logos, you just go to the heart, for example, and alt replace here. So you can enjoy an easy logo and easy animated particles. With alt replace you can very easily change these particle shapes. You alt replace by selecting this gray layer and pressing the alt, you replace with one of the 250 logos you see here. So that's the structure for every scene, and here is the gesture. You have different gestures here, reveal layer source in project again, and you can check one of the 6 gestures: scroll, scroll up, scroll down, slide, tap, zoom, which are in 2 different setups. One is from the bottom and the other is from the left side. So there are 2 different kind of gestures here, and 250 icon to alt replace the scenes. Animated icons can be used even without the particles. They can be used by themselves. So you can, let's see here, reveal layer source in project again. You can change, let's say you can take this icon, the film, and use it as animated icon like this. So let's leave some scene number 1. Let's go to scene number 2, just to show you that there's the same structure. Here is the alt replace for the animated icons here used by the particles. Here is the scene with the red layer here to edit the placeholder. So by double clicking the placeholder you can place here your desired screen. As you see here, there is a slide. So double click, place your own image, again double click, and have the 2 placeholders for this scene. So another thing I have to show you is the text here, the green layer here. By double clicking this green layer, you just edit here the text, and again edit the other text here. If you want to change the in and the out duration, you just select all the layers, press the letter U on your keyboard, and move all these keyframes, these 2 keyframes you're gonna need. You take all these keyframes and move them accordingly to the out point you're gonna need, if you want more or less duration. Again, here are the local color controls. If you want to edit differently, here the text to have another color. There are 3 colors, but if you unchecked only, you can use these colors. Maybe you won't need this option, but I don't know, it's here. So that's how the commercials with their scenes are working. Same happens to app commercial number 2. This duration is different, it's more bigger one, is something less than a minute. Different moves here, same structure. You can see the orange here, the alt replace logo, the red layers for the placeholders. Same structure. Here is the mix and match, where you can see all the moves for the phone and all the moves for the tablet animations, and of course you can see the colors for the phones. Here, by checking the gold device, you have the gold device. Let's see the different device here. Sorry. I'm looking for an example for a device to show you how you can change the color. So let's stay with this one. As you can see, here is a better resolution, full. As you can see, this is checked to the gold, but you can have a black device here with one click. You can have the gray device with one click again, and you can have the rose color. This is global color change. All devices, even their tablets or even their phones, they are changed from here, from the global device. Okay. So here is the global shadow opacity, the device color we've seen before with the local controls, background color that applies only to the commercials, and the particle color. So here are the elements and the controls here. They are global color 1, 2, icons outline. You can have, as you see here, you can have outline color here. 1 minute. Here you can have a background opacity. Change the outline color here. Outline width. You may don't want to have it a circle, you may want a rectangular, and you can make your own customization. So here is the global controls only for the elements shown here. I think that's enough for you to start and finish the project. I don't think this is a complicated one. I think it's an easy one, and if you do have any questions, you can email me, or you can go to the pixamins.com and fill the form so that I can reply to your questions. Thanks for watching.